Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we are scalping the market. We are selling the Aussie cat. So we actually enter a sell here, and looks like it's going to hit a take profit right now. So enter a sell trade here, and we're going to automatic take profit line here. So right now the market is pushing down, and should hit our take profit target at any moment now. So if you're interested in joining a live trading class, please just follow our email here and send us an email, and we can talk about the trading class. So we offer trading class for everyone through our trading, teaching you our trading system. And we're Skyping live every night during London session. Looks like a take profit's gonna hit at the moment, and bingo, hit. So take profit hit, and the trade is closed now. And let's have a look at our trade profit here. So made a profit of $24.75. So that was a quick trade, nice and easy one on the trading the pair here, the Aussie cat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back shortly. Take care. Bye for now.